Honorable members, we have come to the conclusion of the 269th session. We have come to the conclusion of the 269th session of Rajya Sabha. I once again thank all of you for electing me as the Vice President of India and Chairman of Rajya Sabha. The session which ended today was very productive one. I hope that in the coming sessions also we will have more fruitful debates. As we bring the proceedings of this session to a close, I wish to share some reflections on the work done by the August House in this winter session. The 269th session of the Rajya Sabha holds special significance for me as I chaired the Rajya Sabha for the first time after assuming the office. I once again express my profound appreciation and gratitude to the Honorable Prime Minister Shriman Narendra Modi ji, Ministers, Leader of the House, Shri J.P. Nadda ji, and the Leader of the Opposition, Shri Mallikarjuna Kharge ji, and all members who offered their felicitations to me. The warmth and the affection in your felicitations proved a source of great encouragement for me as I sat down discharging my constitutional responsibility as the chairman of this August House. Honourable members, in my first address to the August House, I had sought your cooperation for the smooth functioning of the House. I have urged you all to use every parliamentary device such as questions, special mentions, 0-hour submissions and others with sincerity. I am very happy that honourable members cooperated with the chair to complete a significant amount of business during this winter session. I am pleased to mention that the House gave its consent to sit late or skip lunch recess on 5 days to transact the business. The 269th session was distinguished by some remarkable achievements. The session witnessed an unprecedented number of 0-hour notices with an average of over 84 notices issued per day, nearly a 31% increase as compared to the preceding two sessions. Further, the number of matters actually raised during 0 hours significantly surpassed the previous benchmarks, averaging more than 15 matters per day, nearly a 50% increase as compared to the preceding two sessions. We must keep up this good work, keeping in mind that the people of this great nation look up to us as custodians of democracy. Honourable members, you have all positively responded to my call to spend every day, every hour, every minute, every second of our time in the House to strengthen our democracy by meaningful debates and discussions. This session was marked by high-quality debates and discussions on the issues of historical and democratic significance. This House held a special commemorative discussion on the 150th anniversary of the national song Vande Mataram. The discussion spanned over 2 days with an impressive number of 82 members participating. The House also took up a discussion on the election reforms. 57 members shared their valuable insights on strengthening our democratic process over a period of 3 days. Honourable members, this House also transacted important financial and legislative business during this session, engaging in constructive debates and active participation on several key bills. The House passed returned 8 bills and adopted a statutory resolution regarding the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Amendment Act 2024, which saw overall participation of 212 members. Honourable members, the vibrancy of our parliamentary democracy is often best reflected during the transaction of the private members' business in the House. I am happy to note the enthusiasm shown by the members in this regard. A remarkable number of as many as 59 private members' bills were introduced during this session.